at 1306. 1306? Yes, you right there. Look at the camera. What are you doing this weekend? You are going to come see me, or pick up the phone, give me a call because you want to see this house at 1307 Southeast 6th Street in Lee's-Summit, Missouri. This is, guys, it's beautiful. The sellers have been inside. They have been polishing this thing from top to bottom. Well, I'm going to stop talking about it. I want you, yes, you right there, to follow me, to go inside and let's look at this house.